Hello, angels. We're going thrifting again today. Kind of in a rush, so this intro is going to be like non existent. I mainly want to try shopping for my sister because I really don't need clothes. Like, you guys know, I'm trying to chill. But if I find really cute pieces, I'll buy them. But let's go thrifting. So, I'm here with my sister, Mimo. We're looking through bathing suits first for our trip. And this one actually has a good amount. This is what we found so far. I hate when the tops have no padding. What's this? Oh my god, wait. That one looks very mermaidy, but then I'm scared it's Shein. Oh wait, it's not. Okay, nice. Add to cart. Okay, wait, the whole bow is part of it. Mimo, look at this.
So
wait,
cute.
it's so fun. I didn't realize, I thought the bow was something that was stuck. No, it's part of it.
On a set, by the way.
That's actually,
Not that it's cute, but it's
is there padding in the top? No, there isn't. I do have padding at home if it has the hole for it. Oh, this might be Shein, girl. Oh, it is Shein for sure. Get rid of it. Anyways, this is actually one of the coolest bikini tops I've ever seen. This is cute. Found a matching set. This one might go to my sister. Literally, look at our cart, guys. We already found so many bathing suits. This is so cute. Mimo, look at this.
I don't like it. Oh my god,
That is so cute. We have a lot of pink and orange ones, so I feel like I did pick up a bottom that could go with this, hopefully. We'll see later. Wait a minute. Oh, I'm trying to this is stuck. It looks like Ed Hardy.
Wait, did I find it?
Okay, what does it say, Billabong? Okay, it's a Billabong swim top. It kind of has like a... You know what? It's good enough. I mean, it's not the same, but like we'll put it together in case. Yeah. These are pretty cute. I love a good wedge. I've been looking for flip-flops that are cute, and these are perfect, except this one is a size 8, which is too big for me. I'll try it anyways though, because it's a flip-flop. Like, does it really matter? And this one is so cute too with the watermelons. This is my size, but we'll make the pink one work too. Look at these. Oh, these are so pretty. I like these flats. Look at these. Oh my god, these are so pretty. The shorts are looking pretty boring. I haven't found a single pair that I like so far. These are kind of cool, but I don't wear jorts. This would be cute as a bathing suit cover-up. This is stunning. Hold up a second. Guys, this is beautiful. They have a good amount of series, but a lot of these I already have. Like, I already have these seasons of the Vampire Diaries. I already have Prison Break Season 1. Guys, look at what we just found. And let's try a Wii game. We have a Wii U, so we will be playing this. We should play this like today. We also found this Disney game. It's so cute. It's like, help each of the princesses by performing twirl magic. That sounds so relaxing. And Ultimate Roller Maze is super fun. It's like Mario Kart for Monster High. I'm so excited. This game, I have it on my DS. Here's how the cart's looking right now. This is mine. Also some shoes over there. And this is Mimo's. This girl got so much. Look at how beautiful this is, you guys. This kind of reminds me of like a Jersey Shore dress. I feel like one of the girls would wear this to Karma. This is kind of the only clothing piece I got, I'm pretty sure. Like, I got this and a bunch of bathing suits. Here, I'll show you guys the cart right now. I have some bathing suits, some physical media, some like Wii games, DVDs. For clothes, I did pick up these capris. Oh, and a shirt for my boyfriend. So I'm happy with this because I really don't need a lot of clothes. You guys know this. But I do need bathing suits. And yeah, so this is perfect. These are all the shoes I picked up so far. I'm going to have to narrow it down. I'm going to try to leave with only 3 of these. But then again, my sister's probably going to want some, so we might just like get a pair that we kind of share. Here are some of the putbacks, a little glimpse of them. I just accidentally stumbled upon this top. I think it's really cute. I'm going to buy this. I just looked through one more aisle and I found this top. I'm so happy I looked because this is like so cute. I don't have a shirt like this. And it's just very fun and unique. The brand's Guess. So it's also at the bottom here. I don't like that it's like stickered on and not embroidered, but whatever. I don't have to be that picky. The eyelashes are sequined too, which is fun. This is a maybe. I'm not too sure about this one. Okay, we stopped by this amazing place. They have like the best desserts, so we got a little box. And then we just finished, what's it called? Malai?
Yeah.
And then we got a mango lassi. This is like the best feeling after a long thrifting day. I wish every time we thrifted, we could do this. My sister put the straw in backwards. When we call her a dumbass, we mean it. It's not a joke. We are now back home. The lighting is probably not great right now. I tried putting on every light I can in my room. Okay? So let's start trying stuff on. One of the pieces that I didn't try on at the thrift store was this One Direction shirt. Just because it's not one of those shirts where it's like, oh, like I don't know how it'll fit, you know. It's just a baggy shirt, so it's gonna feel like a baggy shirt. This shirt is just hilarious. I don't know how everyone looks and like how the outline is. This just feels like a very comical shirt to me. I don't know why. It just looks hilarious. Let me show you everyone up close. So I mean, I kind of couldn't pass this up, you know? Guys, this is beautiful. My mic just died during that last clip. What I was trying to say is my sister found stuff, which is great, and while she was trying stuff on at one point, I didn't have anything to do, so it's like, let me just go look through a few more aisles, and that's when I found that top, which I'm really grateful for. We're gonna wait for the mic to charge a little bit, and I'll show you guys the dress. Okay, I hope the mic doesn't die on me again, but here's the next piece. It's this beautiful dress. Next, we have this candy couture top. Then I got this shirt for my boyfriend. Almost every time I go thrifting, I pick something up for him. This was the pick of the day. Now we got a bunch of bathing suits. Oh my god. I'm like debating if I should even try these on because I feel like when you look at a bathing suit, like you know how it's gonna fit, and then with clothes it's very different. So I don't know, should I? Let's try them on. We have this top first. For pretty much all of them, I didn't find the matching piece. So I'm gonna mix and match a little bit. Like, this is a showstopper. And with the bow slapped on top, oh my god. This one might be my favorite. When I first saw this, I was like, is that Ed Hardy? It's not, but it's still so cute. I think the brand's Billabong. I'm pretty sure it's meant to be reversible because the inside also has a really cool design. We have this top. I think I'm going to be wearing it with these bottoms because I think the orange that's like in there kind of matches, or like orange slash pink slash I don't know what. With bathing suits, the most important thing for me is just an insane amount of color. Like, it needs to pop, and this really pops. So I love it. Oh, this is so cute. It's simple, but I like it. Originally, I think it did come with straps because it has the little metal parts that you would wind them in. But obviously, they didn't have them at their store. So I might just like wear it like this. I like wearing bikini tops like this anyways because then I get a better tan. Either way, I don't think it'll fall off. I think it'll be fine. My mic died again, and I didn't realize until after I did the rest of the video and the outro. So I'm gonna show you guys the shoes and the physical media that I got again. I'm gonna repeat most of what I said again. And for the last clip, there was also a clip where I just was not holding my mic, and I just left it in my room. So I might have to voice over that. Okay. Positive thoughts. Don't stress yourself over things that don't matter that much. Okay. Let's just get into the shoes again. I got these flip-flops. Now that I switched back into my outfit and tried all the clothes on, I kind of regret not doing a little styling with the stuff I bought because I feel like some of the bikini tops with the shorts I was wearing and the shoes I got would have been really cute. But it's okay, I'll probably do a compilation of outfits I wore in Europe or something like that. And then I found this pair. These are my size, I think. Yeah. And then we got these wedges, which, see this peeling right here? That's because the price sticker was placed right there. And I'm sick of it. Please. Oh wow, the original price tag's on here. Anyways, please start putting the prices on the bottom of the shoe. Not on the shoe. Thank you. I got a pair of shoes recently that's kind of like this one. It's a Betsy Johnson wedge that's yellow, and it's got the little tying situation that this one also has. And then I also got these. And yeah, all of these pretty much I'm going to be sharing with my sister. That's kind of how it goes. Like, if you have a sister, you can't be selfish. You gotta share. Next, for the physical media. The thing with Audrey Hepburn movies is a lot of times when I think about them, I think about that time I found a DVD that had 4 of her movies in it. It was like a little pack of 4, and I didn't buy it. So I'm still upset about that because I don't really find her movies often. I would kind of expect them to be kind of common in thrift stores, but I just don't see them much. Anyways, I got this one, so I'm happy about that. For this movie, I never buy DVDs if I don't love the movie. Whenever I buy something on DVD, it's something I'm obsessed with, that I rewatch, that I love. This is an exception, and the thing that happened was I spotted this, and I was showing my sister, and I was like, this looks kind of interesting, like, this looks kind of fun. And she was like, oh, of course you think this looks interesting. And then she's reading the back of it, and she says, the first sentence mentions vampires. You would, like, of course you would love this. And I was like, wait, vampires? So then I took it, and I read it, and it was immediate add to cart. I love vampires. They're my favorite supernatural creature. And this movie was released in 2003. So 2003 vampire movie, like, how could I go wrong? This ought to be good. I'll try to let you guys know somehow. I've been thinking about this movie recently, like, it'll just pop up into my head here and there. So it's kind of weird how I didn't think of this movie for the longest time, thought of it, and then it shows up at the thrift store. The Swan Princess, and then Tokyo Drift. This is the only Fast and Furious movie that I have. I want to have the first 3. And the thing is, when I'm at the thrift store, I do find the later movies. But the thing is, the later movies almost feel too stressful for me to, like, watch. I really love the first 3 Fast and Furious movies because those feel super comforting, very rewatchable. But the later ones, it's like everyone just dies. So at one point you're watching the movies and you're thinking, these characters should be alive, you know? So because of that, I just rather have the first 3 because they're just more comforting. Then for Wii games, we got this Disney one, My Fairy Tale Adventures. This looks like it's going to be a very comforting and calming game. And then this one. You guys saw our reaction a little bit when we found this. Maria gasped. I had shakes. I started trembling when I saw this. I'm so happy. We don't have too many Wii U games either, so this is perfect. And it's great because with the Wii U, you could play Wii games and Wii U games. To be honest, when I look back on the games that were available on the Wii and the Wii U, we had way more games. With the Wii U, I just feel like that did not live on for too long. So, I mean, it's good that they're compatible for the Wii U. Anyways, I can't believe I had to film that again, you guys. So, but here I am. I'm doing it anyways, and it's okay. It's fine. It's fine. We got a good haul. I can't be too upset. Also, I got a fortune cookie today, and the little quote was something along the lines of, not worrying so much about things that don't matter. And that really needs to set in, because I have just become so easily stressed. It's probably because I'm a university student. Like, that stress hits you at one point, and then it kind of stays with you. But I'm working on it. Let me know what your guys' favorite item of the haul is. I can never pick a favorite, so I won't even try. But yeah, thank you for watching, angels, and make sure to leave some glitter everywhere you go. Mwah.